So that pretty much just covered everything that you're going to need to know about plant cells and animal cells. Pretty much anything that we go into after that is just going to be details. All right, hope you got all that. Hey guys, how are we doing today? So as I talked about, hang on, can we cut? You tied it too tight. No, you tied it. I can't work like this. Look at it. Look. I can't. Well, what do you want me to do about it? I can't film like this. What do you want me to do about it? But it's way down there. Myself? Fine. Yeah, well, it's been a really rough day. Yeah. Oh, and to top that off, I had to tie my own shoe today. I know. It's impossible to find good help these days. Yeah, I bet all the way down. All the way down. Yeah. Bunny ears wrapped it around everything. Yeah. Double knotted. Yeah. Yeah, I did it all. Yeah. Pulled my back out a little bit getting up, but yeah. All right. All right, Malcolm. Hey, the paw's looking like it's healing up nicely, man. Looks good. Looks good. All right, I'll catch you later, everybody. Run along. All right, so yesterday we drew a diagram of the animal cell. What I would like you guys to do is if you have a blank side, if there's a blank side of the paper that you were drawing on, just flip it over. If there isn't a blank side, just go get yourself another sheet of paper. We're going to be doing the same thing today with plant. Hang on one second. What? What do you want? What, Malcolm? We've been through this already. I'm not buying any of your Dog Scout cookies. Why don't you just take your Dog Scout cookies and sell them to a dog? Humans don't want Dog Scout cookies. We talked about this before. You agreed with me. You're going to sell your Dog Scout cookies to... Oh, I see how it is. Little attitude today. Hey, don't. I know that look. Don't squat. Oh, come on. Do I go over to your yard and do that to you? Oh, I'm sorry. Malcolm just took a giant... Hey guys, how we doing today? So we're going to go along with what we did yesterday where we created a diagram for an animal cell. Well, today we're going to create one for a plant cell. Okay, there's a lot of similar parts. However, they are different. So what I would like for you to do, if you could take out that sheet where you create a diagram for the animal cell right now, flip it over, okay, to the back. Now, if you have something written on the back, just go get yourself a new sheet of paper. Otherwise, just use both sides so it'll be easy to study. All right. So first thing, we're going to be doing a diagram for the animal cell. The shape of the animal cell is a little bit different than it is of a plant cell. The plant cell is kind of like a blob, almost circular. Plant cell is more rectangular. Okay. So what I want you to do is just take your sheet of paper and draw a big rectangle on it. It's not a good rectangle at all. Next thing I would like you to do is I would like you to outline it just like you did with yours yesterday, okay? If you guys hear any weird noises, okay, I swear it's the ball. Okay, the ball that I'm sitting on is making kind of funny noises right now. It's not coming from me, all right? It's coming from the ball. Promise. All right. So what we have here, label it just like you did yesterday. This is going to be your cell membrane, okay? Just like you did in a plant cell, in an animal cell, excuse me, okay? This is your cell membrane. All right. Now, to go along with certain other things that are similar in plant cell and animal cell, okay, is your nucleus, okay, and your nuclear membrane, okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw two circles, okay, one right outside the other, okay, and then I would like for you to label them nucleus and nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is like a skin that kind of protects the nucleus. Okay. Inside a nucleus, all right, you are going to put that circle and your two X's. Does anybody remember what this was called from yesterday? No one? Class participation, guys, come on. No? All right. So the circle is called the nucleolus. Does anybody remember what the X's are called? Anyone? Good job. Good. Yeah. Yeah, the DNA. Good job. Wow, you guys got a great memory. DNA. All right. Now what you are going to do, okay, is right in this corner, you are going to put your Golgi complex, okay? Your Golgi complex was kind of the banana hot dog looking like things that had the circles up at the top and the bottom, okay? So we had 3 of them yesterday. We're going to continue to have 3. So we got one right there, one right there. As I said, it's like a little hot dog with 2 circles on the end of each one, and one right there. And we're going to label that our Golgi complex. Okay. Now we're going to get to where a plant cell is a little bit different than an animal cell. All right. In the animal cell, we had things that were called vacuoles, and the vacuoles would store water for the cell. Okay. Plant cells don't have vacuoles. They have what's called a vesicle, and an animal cell has a couple different vacuoles in it. Plant cell only has one vesicle, but it's huge. All right, and it's gonna kind of look like this, like a boot. Okay, so you're gonna want to make it like this boot-looking like thing there. All right, and I can actually label it on the inside since there's enough room. We could label it vesicle. It's a sweet E, isn't it? All right. Now, another thing that plant cells have that animal cells don't, okay, is what makes them green, okay? And the name of the substance that makes plants green is called chlorophyll. Well, where do they keep those things that have the chlorophyll? They are in what's called chloroplasts, okay? So what I would like for you to do, okay, is I would like for you to draw ovals, and you can draw 3 or 4 of them, and put a whole bunch of dots in them. If you notice, I'm doing it in green. That way, hopefully that'll help us remember that this is how plants become green. Okay, it's through the chloroplasts and the chlorophyll. Okay. Chloroplasts. Have a blast drawing chloroplasts. That was lame. Sorry, guys. All right. Next thing that we are going to draw and label is the mighty mitochondria, okay, which is also known as the powerhouse of the cell, okay? Remember the mitochondria we drew is just basically ovals with like a little squiggly line through them. They kind of look like lima beans, okay? So you can put like 3 or 4 of them in there as well. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Man, I draw some good mitochondria. Did you see that one right there? Zoom in on that one. Zoom in. That's a good one. Yeah. It's a really good mito. Yeah, I know. Wow. Looks good on the film, too. I could just draw these things all day, guys. It's really... So when you start drawing mitochondria, like, have at it. It's fun. All right? I could really draw these all day. All right? And we are going to label it. Hopefully I do a better job spelling it than I did on the animal cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria. Who's the man? This guy. All right. We have a few more things that we need to add, and we're getting a little crammed in here. All right, but we need to add our lysosomes. And our lysosomes yesterday, we drew as only a circle, okay? We could do that again today. I just don't want you guys to get mixed up with the chloroplasts and the mitochondria that you already have. But we could just add a little circle for the lysosomes. You don't need to have too many, okay? And we'll label that right here. All right, now we just got 2 more things to add, okay? One of them is the freckles, okay? The little dots that are all throughout the cell. Does anybody remember what they were called, those dots? Yeah, over there? Yeah, with the hair, you? Yeah, good, good. Ribosomes. Good. You know your ribosomes. Good job. All right, so we're going to label that right over here. Ribo. Okay, and we have one other thing, okay? We have everything, all the organelles within the cell already labeled. Who knows the one thing that we're missing? Anybody? Oh, yeah, you over there with the face. Yeah. Yeah, good. Chloroplasts. Wait. That's not right. Why are you giving me wrong answers? Anybody else? Yeah, you. Yeah, you over there with the feet. No, that's not right. No? Okay. I'll call on the hand guy. Oh yeah, you with the hands? Cytoplasm, good. So we're gonna label that cytoplasm. We'll do that right from here. C-Y-T-O-P-L-A-S-M. S-M. All right. Alright, so what your main job today is to draw a diagram like this for yourself, have everything labeled, okay? We're going to be learning about all the parts, alright? And if you finish this early, and it's beautiful out right now, go outside, okay? Play a little bit, have fun, be careful, okay? Be healthy, be safe, but try to enjoy a little bit of the sunlight if possible. Okay, I'm going to go out and play, well, I've got a friend of mine outside waiting right now to play. I think we're going to play fetch today. What was that? No, fetch. I'm not playing hide and seek again. No. We'll do fetch. Because the last time we played hide and seek, I had to sleep in the shed that night. I hid in the shed. You're hiding this time. Deal. Fine. 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 All right, so as I was saying, guys, enjoy the sunlight. I'm gonna go have a great time playing, hide and seek. Yeah, hide and seek with Malcolm. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy.